We completed the wash on this huge Dodge Ram, and as part of the challenge we need to adjust the tyres. So what we have here is 2 trim. This is our silicon oxide trim dressing that is highly dilutable, can be diluted all the way from 1 to 1 all the way up to 1 to 10 and further, depending on the look that you want to achieve. This does have similar properties to tyre serum in the sense that it will try and penetrate substrates that it's put on, so multiple applications may be necessary to get the finish that you desire. It's a very easy product to use as it's water based. So we have here trim in 1:4 dilution. I'm simply going to spray the tyre, work it in with the House of Rags soft tip brush, and I have a rag here that I'm going to mop up the excess to give us that perfect smooth finish. Liberal application. I'm not worried about overspray because it just wipes right off. And this product is loaded with further additives in there to give it hydrophobicity and protect plastic and rubber surfaces, depending on their quality, for quite a long time, especially if you maintain it. As you can see, spreads are super easy, and on tyres like this with the big knobbles, it's a godsend. The only issue we're going to have is drying the excess within these cavities, because we don't have compressed air or a blower. So be mindful of that if you have these types of tyres. And in the UK we spell tyre the correct way, not the American way. Right, make sure I get everything here. Now at this stage you can sit there and, as Jamie and Eddie would say, let it cook to allow the product to properly bond to the surface. But for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to dry it off quickly. Get as much of the excess as I can off. And what you will find with this product, as it is water based, it will actually dry quite quickly. And there we have it, an OEM Plus look and feel. If I want it shinier, I apply more. If I want this sort of satin type look, one application is good. Buy 2 trim at the House of Rags, Garage Therapy website, or your local retailer.